Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's. For those of you who do not know, my name is Jessica, middle name Aloha. Disclaimer, before we start, I do not have a picture of what my balcony looked like before. I decided to film this quick intro showing you guys how I created like this beautiful, I don't even know what you want to call it, beautiful garden, beautiful zen area, just like a really peaceful and beautiful space. This project was very special to me. When I started it, I wasn't planning on filming, so hence why I don't have a before picture. And I never used to go out on my balcony before, so I just don't have any pictures of it. It took me days to do this video. Yes, it took me days, okay? This is not a video you're gonna say, oh, you're gonna do it in one day. No, you will be tired. I don't know how you're gonna do it in one day, but I didn't even try it. It took me a couple of weeks to finish this balcony. And even at that, I don't even know if it's finished yet. I might still add things. Before I forget, everything I got from either Amazon, Home Depot, or Walmart. Yeah, Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart. I'm going to list everything that I used. I'm going to try to list everything I used in the description box, so you guys should definitely check it out. Right now, that's what it looks like. And I try to sit in a position where you guys can like see the balcony and where I can still have like okay lighting. I really hope you guys have a wonderful and prosperous new year. I hope you like the video. I love my balcony now. I feel it's just gorgeous. I will talk to you guys in the next video. All right, so that was really really hard. My arms are asleep, but let me see, can I spin this? It looks like. Ooh, so what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Do you like it? Ooh, my arm is asleep from like putting up all those vines, but I think it's very cute. It's like, you know, my own peaceful little area. I'm thinking about putting a tarp. I'm not sure if I will. All right, let me see if I can I'm thinking about putting a tarp right here outside of the curtains so that I can put like a heater out here if I want to stay out here like while it's still cold. I'm not sure, but